Hey guys! Welcome back to our Keycap related video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the ASA Clears that Akko has just announced. What I have here is a transparent white prototype. You could also get this in black with yellow legends. But with that out of the way, let's get started with unboxing. Akko did provide these keycaps for review, but that will not affect my opinions on it. The box that the keycaps came with are the same with the ASA low keycaps. A photo of the keycap set is seen front and center, along with the label telling it's the ASA Clear keycap set. They also indicated that it's made out of polycarbonate with printed legends. Opening the box up, we could see that they opted for a plastic cover this time, with plastic trays as well. I believe this is a cost-cutting measure for it to be able to be sold for cheaper. But anyways, inside are 3 layers of plastic trays and foams that houses the 155 keys this set has to offer. From the standard 108 keys to the special keys and novelties, this is one complete set. Now, let's look at the Keycap Profile first. These are the same profile as their ASA counterparts, having a sculpted and tall profile not taller than SA and as tall as OEM. The only difference is that this is made out of PC, as per the description says, with UV printed legends. Here it is side by side with ASA, Cherry Profile, and OEM. As I've said in the intro, this is loaded with keycaps. Out of the box, you have 155 keys to choose from. This supports the standard ANSI layout with macro placement keys, multiple page up and down keys for the navigation row, multiple space bars including 7U and split bars, an additional B and 0 key for Alice and 1800 layouts, as well as multiple chip keys, 1.5U keys, and not to mention the cute novelties that come with it. I have no complaints with the kitting on this set. It can almost complete every layout with the exception of orthoboards. Unlike their ASA counterparts that are PBT, double shot, and are 1.5 to 1.6mm thick, these are made out of polycarbonate and measure in at 1.3 to 1.4mm. When I mounted them, I felt a certain stickiness out of them. Maybe because of the plastic that covered this up in the box, or maybe because of the material. But luckily, it was gone after a week. The polycarbonate was able to let the LED shine through, provided you have transparent switches like I have. I mounted mine on the ACR59, and with the underglow as well as the LED under the switch, the board was so bright, I could instantly change my board's color with the RGB. These keycaps are a conversation starter for sure. As mentioned in Akko's description, the legends are UV printed, wear resistant, and scratch resistant. And after a whole month of use, the Keycap Legends didn't wear over me, even when I exerted force and scratched it. Font-wise, it's the same simple and unique design as the ASA low set, offering center-aligned alphas and text as modifiers. For your reference, here's a sound test of the ASA Clear keycaps on the Akko ACR59 with jelly pinks, which are known for their clacks. We'll also throw in an ASA set as well as OEM for good measure. Next up is the JWK Lagoons, which are a deeper sound and switch mounted on the ACR81. With this configuration, we'll also be hearing it compared to Cherry Profile. As per my observations, the keycaps were able to give a higher pitch sound than normal ASA and OEM, likely because of its polycarbonate material, as well as its slightly thinner walls. If you like that sound, then that's a plus. In conclusion, though I am not an RGB enjoyer, for the low price of 1,699 pesos, I can without a doubt recommend this for those who love to flaunt and show off their RGB on their keyboards. This is surely a step up from the pudding keycaps we were using back then. And with the ample kitting support, a nice sound profile, as well as the ASA profile to back it up, I can see this as a no-brainer purchase for any of Akko's transparent keyboards, or even the Gamma case or Wamirs of the world. For me, I'll be skipping out on this since I like opaque keycaps more. But it's up to you to decide if you like the transparent keycaps, as this hobby is completely preference based. Objectively, for what you're getting, you can't ask for more. So that's about it. What are your thoughts on this keycap set? Would you rather get this or a cherry profile set of the same price? Leave your answers in the comment section down below. Once again, I'm John J. Benueva, and I'll see you in the next video.